So चलो जल्दी से आपको भगा चलते हैं, किडनैप कर लेते हैं.
Kidnap?
Real life, if you have to be of somebody's fan, like whom you will do that?
Yeah, it was a Ranbir Kapoor when I was when I saw Ranbir.
So what he was
I
doing,
met
like,
him, I spoke to him, and it was very nice.
Okay.
Moment.
First day with Raj Tarun, ये तो बताना पड़ेगा.
So
the
they
hero.
told me about this guy, and I googled about him. So this guy is so funny. He's also a writer. I'm also a writer.
Okay.
So we shared a lot about cinema, and you know, he's also a book lover. I also
Wow. You have been into this industry for a long time, and now in Telugu cinema, like how you take when these some gossips comes around you.
I really want to focus on my work, my career, and that is
She is
the
single,
most-
let me tell you. You are
Yes,
single,
yes.
not ready to mingle. He talked to you something about Lavanya or something?
No.
When you are in stress. After certain time, you know, parents come for a marriage proposal.
If you plan to get married, you have to have that kind of mindset and responsibility and towards having a family.
Now when people say, and you heard, you must be seeing your newspapers, mein Raj Tarun and Malvi, you laugh. So how you see when the newspaper next day these all things came, and what was your reaction? Have you tried Irani chai?
It's very nice.
So would you like to have Irani chai if you date in Hyderabad? If you come for a date.
I am dating you right now.
Welcome to my show Trendsetters, where today my guest is Malvika Malhotra. She's going to come out very soon with a Telugu movie and more projects. And let's find out where is she, what she's doing, and we'll take her for a long drive and find out more about her. Come and follow me. Let's find out where is she and what she's doing. Well, I think I need to catch her up here from here. So I'll tell my camera to follow. And then from there, we'll take her to the big drive and a big surprise for her. Where is she gone? Oh my God, she's here waiting for us. I mean, I must say, nice to see you, Malvi.
Nice to see you
So
too.
चलो जल्दी से आपको भगा चलते हैं, kidnap कर लेते हैं.
Kidnap?
Because you know, I was waiting for a long time to go for outside. Like,
Yes.
you know, the Hyderabad weather.
Yeah.
Your first movie is coming up.
Right.
So many things, like, you know. So I think आपको time नहीं मिला होगा to go around and see Hyderabad.
I didn't go anywhere.
And you must be doing sitting in the studio, doing interviews and all that. So I think we are the girls who explored nature.
Yeah.
We feel like going, you know, more of outside.
Right.
So you have that kind of a love traveling.
Yeah, I love traveling. It's so much fun.
So what kind of a travel lover you are? Like how many hours you can sit in a plane for a travel or in a car?
Plane travel, no, but I love to, you know, explore different places, and mostly I like places which has a lot of nature, very close to nature. I like.
And you're a nature girl also. You come up from a place where full of nature, right?
Yeah, I like to be in a peaceful places.
Peaceful places. So okay, let's go out, and you know,
I feel like having chai, yaar, chai.
चाय
पिलाओ.
चाय पिलाएंगे
Yeah.
और मजे भी लेंगे, खूब मजे लेंगे आज मालवी के साथ, because I wanted, you know, for a long time I have not met her. We are friends also, and when friends meet, you need to chill out, right? So let's go and chill, baby. Let's go. Come. So now Malvi is with me, and we are going for a long drive. Come, Malvi. So now I'm getting into my car. So for more updates and for more long interview, you need to come inside the car. So let me tell my cameraman to come inside, and let's do the chit chat and a long drive. Come. So now we are in the car. We have started our journey. We are going for a long drive. And Manvi was so busy with her schedule, shooting, promotions. And in between, I told her that I want your time. You have to give me time. And as she's very supportive to me and to all media people, to everybody whom around she is. She's very committed. So I must say thank you to you. And whatever you say, you do it. So I must say.
Thank you.
That's
thank
great.
You so
And you're
much.
looking so pretty, darling.
Thank
Really.
you.
From where you got this dress first, you tell me.
This is from a designer.
Okay.
Her name is Anjali.
Okay, so what kind of a dress lover are you as we start? Because you know the first attraction goes, you know, when what celebrity wears. People are always curious to know. So what kind of a shop lover you are, and what kind of pickup things like most of you are comfortable with?
I like very cute dresses, like
Like
very
you.
nice. So yeah, I like very nice cute dresses, and like my favorite Indian outfit is sari. So I love wearing sari.
Oh my God, I
Yeah.
missed it. I mean, I think one interview we need to do in sari only.
Yes, definitely.
You must be looking so pretty in sari.
I love saris. It's one of my like favorite outfit.
It's really nice to hear that. Actors love sari because you know we are missing that. You know we have a lot of saris in our cupboards, but we are not using it. I mean, it's not in South. People wear it sari. They
Yeah.
have big craze for saris.
Yeah.
But it's good to hear that you know
Yeah.
all youngsters there, and we all should take that tip. You know, love your saris and wear saris.
Yeah.
So you remember when you wear your first sari and who gifted you or you bought it?
I think I wore my mom's sari
Oh.
when I was in school.
Okay, for farewell party must be
Yeah.
or Teachers' Day.
Yeah, something like that. only,
Okay.
Yeah.
So that time you wear a sari.
Yeah,
You remember
yeah.
the color?
I think it was sky blue.
You remember everything. You have a
Yeah.
great memory, Malvi.
Yeah, I think that was the first sari I wore.
So how's things are going on Telugu side, and as your movie is nearby,
Hmm.
so what do you have to say about the promotion of the movies and about your upcoming movie? How excited you are? What's full of energies are there?
I'm very excited, and the promotions are going really well. I did a lot of interviews in last couple of days. The trailer has been launched, and the response we are getting, it's too good on trailer. So I'm looking forward to it.
So now when you see a Telugu industry, it's the first Telugu movie for you.
Yeah.
So when you got a call, obviously people always, think about, this is a very common thing people used to ask, being into a non-Telugu industry, like language wise you were not much familiar. So how it actually happened on that day when you got this call? What was going in your mind? क्या करूं, क्या ना करूं, क्या Google किया था, क्या
Yeah.
search किया था, किसको call किया था?
Yeah.
Do you remember all this?
So yeah, I remember. So that time, like I got to know about this production and about the producer and everyone. Then we found out they're very nice people, and they are, making good films in the past. And the actor was also, he has done good films in the past. So I found out, and then I had a proper narration with the director.
So you came to Hyderabad?
Yeah, I came to.
It was not your first trip for the script
No,
reading, or before that?
Before I have
We'll
come.
explore that also.
So I came, so he narrated me, and I really loved my character. That she's a crazy Balia fan, and she does crazy stuff. She does crazy stuff.
Do you know about before doing this role about Balaya Garu?
Yeah, I know that he's very outspoken and very transparent person. He doesn't have any filters. So I somewhat like my character is also very similar. But I liked his character, so I really want to do something like that. And I have a proper action scene in the film.
Oh,
so,
you're doing tishum tishum?
Yeah, if you see the trailer, you'll see the glimpse of it.
Yeah.
And I'm looking forward to it because the character graph which I have in the film from start to end has a lot of shades, and I'm sure that people will definitely love it.
But in real life, fan movement bola jaye to you in a movie, you are a Balaya fan. But in real life, if you have to be somebody's fan, like whom you will do that?
I think.
Or from your childhood?
Yeah, it was Ranbir Kapoor when I saw Ranbir. When I saw him first time, I was like proper fan.
Where you saw it?
I saw him in Bandra when I was studying in college.
Okay, lively. Like,
Yeah.
okay. So what he was
I
doing,
met
like-
him, I spoke to him, and it was very nice moment.
You know, so outgoing like that. I mean, you just went and you got the chance to meet him. Like, easily he was available. Like, you go and talk to him.
Yeah,
right?
that time, like, see, my college was in Bandra, and most of the stars used to live in Bandra. And I used to see everyone, just sitting in a coffee shop or having coffee. It's very common. And there, people, I don't think in southern states, like, people can't go out much, actors especially. But there, it's not
It's
like
like
that.
common,
People don't come and, click pictures with them. They just want to talk, but they don't click pictures and stuff. Yeah.
So then you went there and talked to him?
Yeah.
How was your reaction? Like, would you still remember that moment you would like to share?
Yeah, it was very nice. I was awestruck to saw him, and then I was like, I love his
What was
films.
your age that time? You were like in your
I was like
doing
maybe-
college?
Yeah, I was 21 or something.
Okay, 21. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So then-
3-4 years back, I was like, कि that time I wanted to, meet him in real. Like I always loved Ranbir Kapoor's film, and I always been a fan of him.
So you just went him and said, "I'm your fan" and everything.
No, I said no. I met him once before also when I was in Manali.
Okay.
That time that Ye Jawani Hai Diwani shoot going on. That time I
Okay.
went and met him also that time. So I
I
met
think
him 2-3
I think you
times.
need to keep these memories with you because you never know next movie anytime. You are
Yeah.
into the same field and you're doing a role with him.
Yeah.
So I think you need to make him remember that I met you 2 times.
Yeah.
So I think we should tag Ranbir Kapoor and tell, you never know whom you like. Your fan,
Right.
because we have seen so many incidents like Ranveer Singh and Akshay Kumar.
Yeah.
Like when he was a small child, he clicked, and now he's working in same
Right,
industry. So
right.
we don't know, right?
Right.
Universe is like anything
you
can
think
happen.
And it will happen. Yeah.
So we were just talking about the traveling.
Yeah.
When travel comes, this word from you, like from the childhood, you were like to explore things, or like after a certain age, you develop that quality of traveling.
No, I always wanted to travel because I remember my first trip for the solo, like the college trip, school trip, sorry.
School trip.
I was in like 6th standard and I wanted to go out with the school trip, and it was a 10 days
Your
trip.
mama, daddy allowed you?
They were not, and they were like, wanted me not to go. If it is 1 or 2 days, he would have.
Okay.
But it was a 10-day trip and we had to explore the whole Rajasthan, Jaipur,
Oh.
Udaipur, every place we had to explore for 10 days.
And
And my father was not sending me, and I created a whole ruckus at home. I cried for 3 days, and then finally he sent me.
so, matlab,
On my 6th standard, it was my first trip for 10 days. Yeah.
That was bold you are, I must say. And whatever you want, you can do it. You can
Yeah,
get it.
I was very ziddi child that I want this, I have to take this. Yeah.
So do you remember any one more thing for which you have actually wanted and you have done it?
So I always believe in manifestations, and whatever I have manifested in my life, it happened.
Wow.
So this year, I'll tell you the recent story. In February, I wrote in my diary that I'll be shooting on my birthday this year. And honestly, on my birthday, रात के 12 बजे से लेके अगली रात के 12 बजे तक मैं शूट पे थी. And it
when is your
happened.
birthday?
22nd May. It
Oh.
happened. So I was shooting for my Tamil film on my birthday.
So why don't you write something good on your diary and give me your diary? I'll need to find out. Like it's like a magical diary, I must say.
You have to give all the emotions and all the positive manifestations to it, and it will happen. Universe listens to you, and whatever you desire for it, it will come to you.
So what are the precautions you take when you travel? Because you have to be fit, you're traveling all the time. Sometimes you don't get sleep, right?
Yeah.
So what kind of a food you pack, or like whenever you go out,
I
what
think
do you
I
look
always carry 2 things with me. One is green tea and one is dry fruits.
Okay.
Like hot water is available everywhere. So if you don't get anything, you will have some dry fruits and green tea. You're sorted.
You're sorted. That's it.
Like for a small travel, it is fine. Otherwise, you can have fruits also. You can have, like, I like to have the proper cooked food, like not the these kind of frozen foods and all. I don't like.
So what about the Hyderabad? You remember when you visited first time?
Yeah.
Before, like for
Film, yeah.
shooting, but before that, you remember you got a chance to come here, and
Yeah, I've come here like 3 years back.
that was your first trip, right?
Yeah, that time I shot for this Ramoji Film City ad.
Okay.
It was an advertisement for tourism to promote Film City, and that I shot for 3 days in
So you were
Ramoji.
promoting Ramoji means Hyderabad only.
Yeah.
The connection was already started.
So I was a
Okay.
tourist, and I'm there in the whole advertisement. I'm exploring and all of that. So that was the advertisement. I think this Rajamouli sir, assistant, only directed the advertisement.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
Okay. So you got a chance to actually explore the city.
So they told me like for 3 days you have to just explore. You have
Wow.
to, so they shortlisted few places. I've explored the Bahubali set and everything. I became like that. What do you call that? They what was the name of that?
Who?
That she was tied with those things.
Anushka Shetty.
Anushka Shetty, I
Okay,
acted like that. So
okay.
we had to explain the rides and the shows and everything. Like
It's only Ramoji you were exploring.
only Ramoji, and
Okay.
they shot everything, and they have made a beautiful advertisement because they were promoting Ramoji Film City as a tourism.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So you visited Bahubali's setup and what else? you saw?
Everything in Ramoji. I
So have
explored everything.
you personally now have shooted there, or like in future we can see, like you got an opportunity to shoot there for a movie?
For a movie, not yet, but yeah, definitely.
In the future it can be,
yes.
because now it's a
Yeah.
place where all these big movies have been
happens,
shoot and everything. So anyway, you talked about Bahubali. You are a Bahubali, I must say. How this
Why Bahubali? Tell me that.
No, I mean you are a Bahubali because you in the kind of things you face in your life and the kind of clicks you give, because it's like in Mumbai what happened, it was long, like it's an old story, but still it's an experience, like
Yeah.
everybody, girls should know that how to come out of it. It was not a small incident of your life.
Yeah.
So when we see you like this, it doesn't feel like something happened to you.
It's
And
all willpower.
so how that willpower, that's a great word you use.
Yeah.
How this willpower you
You
planned
have to
yourself
be
in this
mentally
way?
very strong. If you are mentally strong, everything falls into a place.
Yes.
Whatever the outside things are happening, don't get it into your head. That's the only hack.
Yes.
Don't overthink, because like I feel life is like a roller coaster.
Yeah.
It will just go up and down, but if you are still, you won't go haywire.
Yes.
You can't control the outside. You can control yourself. That's the only
But
hack.
you I think you are the first child of your family who's getting into this
Yeah.
field of Indian cinema. I think your family is from other professionals.
Yes.
What they are doing and how you convince them, because for them it will be a different aura, because your father
Yeah.
didn't allow you to travel that time.
Yeah.
And now you're traveling alone, you're taking your projects on your own basis. It's an independent life you're living.
Yeah.
So will you just share it about that?
Yeah, so since my childhood, I've always been inclined towards art. I always want to do something related to paintings or music or maybe theatre, dance.
But not sitting, nothing. Just
No, I
row.
can't sit at one place. I'm very restless. I can't. So, but I was good in studies. So my father and mother, they are all into, like my mom, she's a principal. My father
Wow.
into business. So they all wanted, like all my family's doctors, and they're all academically very sound. And I never liked that profession. And हमारे घरों में ये होता है ना, doctor, engineer, that's it. There is
I
no
know.
third option.
Third option,
So they forced me to study engineering. I did engineering, and they forced me to do like all this computer science and everything. I was good in studies, but I was very bad in practicals.
Okay.
So I used to.
But now you're doing more practicals.
Yeah.
You're out exploring people.
Yeah. So I then. I cracked my interview also, and I got placed in some company where they kept me. And then after that, I was not interested. So I told my parents that I don't want to do this, and I really want to pursue this as a career. And then it happened.
So it was easy to convince them. They were
It
like,
was
okay,
not
beta
easy.
jao, हमारा आशीर्वाद तुम्हारे साथ है.
No, it was not at all.
Or it was a
easy.
big tsunami fight in the home and all
Not
that.
fight, but they were little worried for
Yeah.
me, and they wanted to see everything, how this process happens. So my first work was for the TV show I
Yeah.
did. So my parents came down to Bombay. They stayed with me for 10-15 days. They saw the whole process. They went to see my night shoots also. They
Oh,
came for
yeah.
they saw everything. But then they realized that it's a good profession, and everyone works collectively.
Explore.
It's nice, it's fun. So then they were like, okay, fine.
Now you're doing, I think, Punjabi movies also and
Yeah.
song,
Yeah,
exploring Punjabi cinema also,
Yes,
and as
yes.
you were into Hindi cinema also.
Yeah.
So how it's going on, like?
It's
yeah.
going good, it's going great. Everything is happening very nicely. I'm very happy for whatever, coming to me, and I'm giving my 100% to whatever.
So
I
do you remember your first day in your Telugu cinema, like the first day when you coming into your set?
Yeah.
what was going in your mind, or you were preparing, coordinating with the coordinators, makeup artist,
Yeah.
production team? I think it's a huge team. It's not
Yeah,
one team.
Yeah.
How was your interaction? Your producer, your director?
So my
Fun
first day,
moments also.
Yeah. So first day. So for this film, we started shooting with the climax.
Okay. First day
Climax. Okay.
How you take that, yeah?
And
Okay.
I don't know why they planned climax first, but first we start with the climax, and in climax I'm hardly doing anything. Like it's only heroes fight and everything.
Okay.
So, but I'm there in every frame.
Okay.
I'm just standing. So first 4 days, I was just asking myself what I'm doing here.
Okay.
You know,
Maybe they're giving you warm up.
yeah, basically. So they were like, they wanted to finish this major part first, and then they wanted to see the output or whatever. But I was only giving expressions and doing standing and those dust and everything coming on my face when I used to take bath and went to
But
hotel.
fighting scenes are very different here. Like
Yeah. So it was like, if you make me work now, I enjoy that
Yeah, I
more. But if you
understand.
make me still and do nothing, it is too boring. So first
I
4
can
days was
relate.
very boring. But after that, my proper scenes started and everything. Then I, started enjoying it.
enjoying it. So I think the first day of her is just standing and watching the fight of Raj Tarun.
Yeah.
Can I take his name, Raj Tarun? That's okay, man. It's a
Yeah.
part of the industry. So first day with Raj Tarun, ये तो बताना पड़ेगा because
Yeah.
he was your actor when the
Yeah.
coordinations happen. Actors also ask, okay, who will be the heroine? Heroines also ask who's the hero.
Right.
So how you know about Raj Tarun before, or like when they told you about
So
the
they
hero?
told me about this guy and I googled about him. We all were sitting, the director, they played some YouTube thing about his film Cinema Chupistamawa. We saw a couple of, I was like, this guy is so funny. And I entertaining. I saw some comedy scenes of that film and I liked it. Like, he's a good performer.
Good performer,
so
yeah.
then I was like, okay, great. Like,
So first day you met, how was your day with him, and coordinating, he speaking in Telugu or explained you, helped you with something?
No, we didn't spoke only first day much. We were like just working together and we hardly spoke on first 2-3 days, so we didn't even spoke much.
Acha.
After that, we started talking about film, cinema, and he's also a writer. I'm also a writer.
Okay.
So we shared a lot about cinema, and he's also a book lover. I also like
Wow.
to read. So there are so many things in common, and we shared a lot about cinema and these things, about the films, and that's all interactions we used to have.
But as you know, things always go up and down in the industry. How you take, because gossips is a big thing for the celebrity to face.
Yeah.
Let's be very practical. It's not like when you're entering into the cinema, we don't know what is right, what is wrong. It's
Right.
your way of living. The
Right.
word you said, perception.
Yeah.
Not to care about it.
Yeah.
So you have been into this industry for a long time, and now in Telugu cinema, like how you take when some gossips comes around you, how it actually you take it as a celebrity.
See, I feel that when something happens around you or with people around you, it is disturbing for a while, but then I feel you should be strong enough to deal with that and think that everything happens for a reason and take it in a positive way. And I just feel that life won't go so smooth all the time.
Exactly.
So,
and when you're a beautiful actress, you're working hard. I mean, everybody they always look for a gossips, So in industry, you also, when you were a childhood, you must be seeing the gossip magazines.
Yeah,
Iska affair usse ho gaya, uska affair usse ho gaya.
Right.
So when you heard of all this, aapne bhi socha tha, I'm going into this industry.
Right.
So somewhere, you never know, people can connect you with the actor or
Right.
So how you prepared yourself?
I never thought that this will happen to me, but yeah, finally, if it is happening, I just don't give my much attention to the gossips. And if it is a healthy criticism, I will definitely accept it. But if it is going in a negative way, I will try to, don't let it come to my head and, try to focus on my work, because right now, I really want to focus on my work, my career, and that is
She is
the
single,
most...
let me tell you. You are single,
Yes.
not ready to mingle.
No, I'm on to focus on my work, my career, and that's the most important. My cinema is my first love, and it will always be my first
Maybe
love.
must be people loving your Raj Tarun and your Jodi is going rocking.
that is quite
That's
possible.
why people are like, loving it, and the most of the tsunami masalas are going around about
Yeah,
you.
because see, he's also a good performer. I also give my, so people might love our
And it's your
chemistry in the
first
film.
Telugu movie with the start of a sentiments respect hoti hai. They become
Right.
your friends.
Yeah.
Like we see Shah Rukh Khan and Kajol.
Yeah,
Like Ajay Devgan ke saath Taboo ji ko laga diya jata hai. They
Yeah.
are good friends.
they are good friends.
So
yeah.
I think in industry it always works. Who's your first eye, you have a sentiments, you know.
Right, right,
So how
right.
you take that friendship, and you know when it comes to friendship.
I feel that if you are a good friends, if you meet good people in your life, you can be friends with them all your life.
Yes.
And the best thing about our industry is like if we meet good people,
Yes.
we can keep them for life.
I know.
And if we meet some filthy people, it's okay. We'll work for them for 30-40 days and then we'll say
we'll-
bye bye.
yeah, yeah.
So it's up to us. Like if you want to keep them friends or if you want to leave them. So we still have that choice. People from other industry, they don't have that choice.
Yes,
You
yes.
have to, if you like them, if you don't like them, you have to see those
See
same
that.
office colleagues every day.
Yes.
That
no
is
doubt.
true. That is true. Yeah.
So would you like to reveal something that is going to excite more about this movie? And you are no doubt it's your first project.
Yeah.
So how you take it on the level? I mean, this will be in pan India or it's in Telugu only?
They
going
are
to happen?
for OTT. I think they are releasing in all the languages, but it's for Telugu.
How your friends are like, you know, your friends must be from North, like they
Yeah.
are saying, oh, when is your Telugu movies coming? Because now Telugu cinema is on the big level.
Yeah, it is
Huh.
globally known after RRR winning Oscar. Definitely, it's globally known, and I'm very proud to be a part of Telugu cinema right now. And it's just a starting. I want to do more and more Telugu films in future, and I'm looking forward to work with every Telugu actor in future.
I know. And especially the support system is very important, you know. When these gossips come around, I think the strong part is we need to support each other. In
Yeah.
family also,
Yeah.
when something goes wrong, brother or sister or parents,
Yeah.
or somewhere father comes, okay, I'll support you, daughter, don't worry. When
Yeah.
something comes on father, daughter say, don't worry, I'm there for you.
Right.
So at that time, when the situation is so like different way every day coming, maybe your co-actor Ashrun in stress, how you want to support him or like say something for him so that he,
See, I really don't understand what is his personal life,
Yeah.
what he's going through. I really don't know. But I just wish that everything falls into place and everything right should happen to everyone, even if this girl, even if Raj. I just feel that everyone should live their life in
Yes,
peace. That
yes.
is my advice to everyone. And creating unnecessary issues and ruckus doesn't make any sense to anyone. And rest I don't know, everyone has
but
their own.
during the sets you become friends. He talked to you something about Lavanya or something.
No.
When you are in stress, he shared something about
no,
you.
we
and-
didn't had any conversations about her, and this topic only came when she called
Promotions.
me and all of that. But then I still don't want to talk about his personal life because it's his personal life, and if I stay away from it, it's better for me, better for him, and better for her as well. So I'm here to promote my film. I want to promote my film, and that's all. That's
Your target.
all my target is right now.
So after this Telugu cinema, what makes you busy so much now?
I'm shooting for Tamil as well, and I'm shooting for one Punjabi next month. And there are a few more things coming up in Hindi too. So everything is just
I
going
think after
good.
this Telugu movie got clicked, how you gonna like take this success? And then you are doing Punjabi, then you're doing Hindi, then you're doing Tamil. Then how it's like a mix of, already you're a pan-India now, you're exploring that,
Yeah,
right?
I feel that language is just it's just a barrier, but I don't feel it's a barrier too, because if you that emotional language it's universal,
Yes,
and
yes.
you can't just, if you get work from all the languages and it's good work, I think you should go for it. And Tamil cinema also, I'm very big fan of Tamil, and I've already worked in Malayalam.
Okay.
Last year my Malayalam film released and it got me good name in Malayalam as well, and really people liked my de-glamorized role in my Malayalam film.
Okay.
And I am, as an artist, because I'm a theatrical artist, I love to explore different characters and different kind of cinema and different scripts basically. For women especially, we rarely get to perform in
Yes.
the films, and if I get a chance to do good kind of roles, I will definitely pick up from any language.
I remember in your last interview, you said about Mahesh Babu that you
Yeah.
met Mahesh Babu, you were opposite to his
Yeah,
house,
yeah.
and then after that, any other incidents happen, like you got a chance to meet Allu Arjun sir or Junior NTR sir
No,
or
no.
something. You have like
Actually, I've been invited for the SIMA in this 2-3 award functions.
Okay.
Now also this some award is there, CCL Awards in Mumbai.
Okay.
On 21st, I got the invite, but I really didn't. Whenever I want to go for some event, something or the other work is happening. So it's always clashing, but I didn't get the chance to meet all of them. But definitely I'll meet them in future.
Okay, so what are the 3 things in your mind? Where is your magic, that magic diary? If it would be there, I would have
It's
also.
my manifestation diary.
Yes. So, what 3 things in your mind you want to do it as early as possible? Like that's your wish.
That's my cinema, my first love. I want to keep doing good films, good
Till
characters.
at any age.
At any age. Today I'm playing lead heroine. Tomorrow I'll play Amma. Tomorrow day after I'll play Dadi. I don't.
You're ready for that?
I'm ready for that. I want to play all age characters as going up with my age. So I want to play all the kind of roles. Even if I grow old, I feel that I should cherish that kind of roles.
Dadi
as
Amma
well.
role also, she's ready to
It'll
do.
be
Great.
it'll be nice, no?
I think this video will use that when you're doing a Dadi Amma role.
Yeah.
That before that she
before
was
after you can show before after. Yeah.
Yeah. So you were ready for doing Dadi Amma roles also.
Definitely, because see, I feel that cinema is something which makes me feel, and being on a film set just makes me feel so alive.
Okay.
I'm super energetic when I'm on a film set, and when I'm home, I'm very lazy person.
Oh, sabke saath hai.
Yeah.
So second thing, what do you want to do? One, you said cinema, all your life you want to give.
Second thing, I want to travel the world, like wherever, whenever I get the chance to travel, I want to travel all the places, meet different kind of culture, different people. And third thing, I want to spend time with my family also. At the same time, I want to give time to my parents, which I rarely do. I regret that a lot sometimes, that I should take out time for my family as well. So these things are like my main priority in life.
वो third में भी आ गया, family आ गया, सब आ गया.
Yeah.
So when after certain time, parents come for a marriage proposal. How you take it? Have you told मैं इतनी age में शादी करूँगी या give me this much years?
No, my parents.
Or you get the right partner, then you'll decide.
Yeah, so I told my parents whenever I feel that I'm ready for, I find someone who I feel that he can be my life partner, I'll definitely tell them. And my parents are very supportive. They will never force me to do anything as soon as possible, and they also know that marriage is a very big decision and you have to take it wisely.
I know.
And yeah, जब कोई अच्छा लड़का मिलेगा, I'll definitely.
So
marry.
what exactly marriage means for you? A relationships when come, you must be with your friends who must have got married, must have got kids. And every day we see some of the things going surrounding by us in social media or our neighbors.
Right.
How you take at this point a relationships or marriage?
I feel that relationships are basically like, it has to be unconditional. You have to have that unconditional love how parents have for their kids. That unconditional love and support has to be there. There should be honesty, there should be transparency in a relationship. Even in my film like Thirakka Bhadra Samni, the basic message which this film is giving is the importance of marriage today, in today's world. Like today, if you see around, like people are just getting married, they are getting divorced, and then they are just taking marriage as a joke, which is not good. Marriage is if you plan to get married, you have to have that kind of mindset and responsibility and towards having a family. Marriage is basically settling down and having a family.
But sometimes doesn't match.
Doesn't
जो
match.
दिखता है वो बिकता नहीं है, जो बिकता है वो दिखता नहीं है.
Yeah, so it has to be taken very wisely, and I feel you should know a person in and out before you get married to that person.
So do you think is it okay to have divorces also? Because once you
It
trap
is okay. Yeah, it
now
is okay.
society is changing.
nobody, you know, now judge people for the divorces and everything, and I feel that you should speak out when something
Yes.
is not happening right. So you should speak out for yourself. You should not face things like that. You should always stand for yourself, no matter what other people are, you know, doing it
Yeah.
for you. You should stand for yourself, and automatically things will fall into place.
True, true. So you have more detail, like you have actually worked on the relationships. You had a heartbreak?
Not really, but yeah, maybe in school or something.
You
that
only,
time.
I think you must have only said no.
Yeah, right.
You only said no. You never thought of proposing a boy in your
I
life?
never proposed anyone. Yeah, I never.
Well, life me didn't felt that, okay, this is the boy, I should not leave. Okay, let me go and do this job.
Yeah, if I find some guy like that, I will definitely go and say it from my.
So for you, it's not like criteria कि पहले girls should do it or boy.
I don't.
You
think
go it?
so.
You like it?
ऐसा
Go.
लड़का तो मिले मुझे जिसको मैं जाके प्रपोज कर सकूं.
पर होना क्या चाहिए उस लड़के में? कुछ तो रहता है ना भी. Every girl has a dream.
Yeah, so I told you, I like the guy who is very chivalrous, who knows how to treat women. Respect
yes.
is something which is most important.
Yes.
Love fade away, it goes ups and downs, everything changes, but respect
True.
is something which will never fade. And honesty and transparency and supporting each other in each other's careers, and that is what
Exactly.
life partner का मतलब वही होता है.
Exactly.
See, I'll tell you the example. हम लोग जब स्कूल्स में या हॉस्टल्स में या पीजीज में रहते हैं, आपके रूममेट्स होते हैं ना.
I know.
You have roommates.
Yes.
पूरा दिन you go do your work, but at the end you come back to your room and you share your things with your roommate.
Yes.
That relationship has to be like that. There is no question answers things, but you
Yes.
share each things with each other like friends. So that friendship has to be there. That friends kind of bond should be there between you and your partner.
But yeah, please continue.
Yeah, so I feel that if I find something like that, I'll definitely.
So I
go
think
for
a
it.
friend can turn to a husband.
Definitely,
That
why not?
a friend can play a role of a husband.
Obviously, it can.
But husband can convert it into a friend. It will be a difficult job, do you think?
I don't know. I have never experienced
So
a
I think
married
first we
life.
should make a friend and then husband.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, but yeah, people say that things changes after marriage and all of that.
Yes.
But it's up to you, like how you share things with each other and what kind of compatibility you guys have. So it depends from people to people.
So you believe in dating?
Yeah.
You believe? How many you would like to share? You went for a date, you're excited, and how was that date? I will not ask who we went, obviously not tell. But you enjoyed dating. I mean, you believe in dating.
I feel that, you know, if you meet people, if you want to date people, see, if you want to have your life partner or if you want to marry someone in future, obviously you have to meet that people, you have to date that person, and if it goes well, you can carry forward. If it doesn't, you don't do it. So yeah, it's a process to get into that stage. Dating is a process. It's a first step.
But nowadays we're seeing a society change. If you're seeing, you know, previously parents used to say पहले देख लो या मत देखो, ठीक है, parents ने देख लिया हो गया. Now parents only say you go and live your life, stay with them, go live in में. There are so many people who
My
are
parents
talking.
will never allow me for living, definitely. My parents are not that open-minded, but yeah, they will not stop me from meeting them or you know spending time with them.
So when you heard these kind of stories, live in, what goes in your mind? Like how you take this society change?
See, it depends on people to people. We can't comment on people who are staying in live-in. Everyone has their own way of taking things forward. But for me, I never thought of being into a live-in relationship with anyone, and I feel that I will directly get married. That's better option.
Better option. Okay.
yeah.
So when it comes to self-defense, you know, that's very important because how you support this self-defense, and if it comes for a awareness, because personally, you know, you have experienced that situations where self-defense is very important. So how you want to spread a message that every girl should go for a self-defense?
You watched my film Thiragra Bhadra Sami.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I think the right question.
You will know what self-defense means because in that movie, it will give a message. My movie is giving a message to each and every woman out there that is very important to have a self-defense. Every time hero is not going to come and protect you. You have to protect yourself.
In reality, for this movie, you did some Reiki, you did some, because for every movie, people actually do practices. They go to the location, they practice,
No, I
they train
haven't done.
themselves. You did something?
No, I haven't done, because I am trained in MMA and this kickboxing and all of
Already
that.
she is a kickboxing girl. Okay,
Yeah,
wow.
so it was very easy for me to take, and we didn't practice anything, but yeah, we took a lot of precautions before doing any scenes.
So I think kickboxing and more anything self-defense, if you have to learn, what one thing you would go for it? And fitness-wise, it will make you fit or happy.
Yeah, so you should go for this. There are basic techniques of self-defense. It doesn't require a lot of energy and effort, but they are like techniques.
Okay, yeah.
So these techniques, if someone attacks you or something, you can protect yourself. And or you can carry some of the self-defense things like pepper spray or tasers or
Till
whatever.
now also you carry paper sprays and all that. Now the more actually.
Sometimes I
People
do.
recognize you, oh, she's actress, because they miss all that going on the roads and doing all the regular stuff when you're in other cities.
Yeah.
So you take all this till now in your bag?
Sometimes I take,
I think we
sometimes I don't. It depends. It depends where I'm going. Yeah.
So that precautions you
Yeah.
take.
Yeah.
So as we had a long journey, and I think all Hyderabad side we explored
everything
We
in
explore
Hyderabad.
in orbit mall. Only from outside. I think
Outside,
inside we
yes.
can't take her. Nahi to otherwise we need lot of lady bouncers. Bouncers we can't afford that. So that's why we are just taking her a long drive so that she can have a feel. So you had a good sleep. What good sleep mean for you?
I think. If
How
you
many
have-
hours you sleep?
So I'll tell you about the sleep patterns. Sleep. So when you sleep now, the first half an hour of the sleep is where your body starts recovering.
Okay.
And the second half an hour of your sleep has to be your mind starts preparing for the sleep, and the last half an hour, if you have any wounds, that gets repaired.
Yes.
So there is a 1.5 hour cycle of a sleep. So you should take like 3 to 4 cycles. That is good
Okay.
enough. So 3 cycles means 4.5 hours sleep. 4 cycles 6 hours, and 5 cycles 7.5.
Okay.
So, and a lot of time you must have experienced, like suddenly if you break that 1.5 hour cycle and you wake up in between, you sometimes headache hota
Yes,
hai.
yes,
Sometimes you feel your body is tired,
Yes,
because
tired.
that time it was recovering.
Recovering.
So you should exactly follow 1.5 hour cycle. That is the best. And whenever you follow that 1.5 hour cycle, it makes your body feel complete and energetic.
Yes.
So mostly I take 6 hour sleeps or 7.5 hours.
Oh,
Yeah.
you don't compromise on that.
Yeah.
So what makes you more excited? Like, so many songs I heard coming up, videos are coming
Yeah,
up.
today,
Yeah.
today one of my song which is releasing. It's in Hindi,
Movie?
Telugu. No, it's a solo.
Solo video song.
Solo video song. It's in Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, and Kannada, all the languages.
Okay.
And singer is Sony.
Okay.
Sony, who sung in Bahubali, that song, that Ship Wala song, which
Okay.
Anushka Shetty, that is the singer.
Okay.
And it's a solo song. There's no hero. And
You
this-
are the hero.
I'm the hero and the heroine.
Yeah.
So it's like the girl, she's traveling alone, and we shot that song in Kashmir.
Okay.
And today is 7 p.m. The song is releasing. I'm really excited for this.
So like how it's gonna be like you are in Hyderabad. So
it's
it's online.
It's coming on Devo, the Devo channel, which is a South Indian channel for
Okay.
all this songs and all.
So have you heard of your songs in Telugu? Like, and you're dancing on that. It will be first experience for you
Uh,
hearing its own song, because you'll
no,
be there. in that.
yeah. It's a first experience of me, but it's nice. I really like that song and the music of the song.
So in the movie, your Telugu
Yeah.
movie which is coming, you
Yeah.
have done a songs are there.
Yeah, there is a
Romantic
love song.
song
Romantic
and-
song is there. There is a celebration that that song which you call that Chimantam song is there.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay. So I just want first day. तो मैंने पूछा. I asked you the first day of your shoot. When pack-up comes, you all get connected like a family to each
Yeah.
other. Your daily routine. How many months you spend for
I
the
think
shooting?
I spent 45 days.
40-45 days, not less. Every day your mind is with
Yeah.
them. I have to be coordinating with them or them.
Yeah.
So when the last shot and last day was there, what goes in your mind? Like, okay, it was my first Telugu movie, my last day. How was your like all together celebrations?
It is like, you know, Stockholm syndrome that you miss those people, and after that when you go to another shoot and you get busy with them, then you know, it just goes, the memory is like that, you know, every film you meet new people, they become like a family, and then you go to another shoot, they become like a family. So yeah, like even I'll tell you, the people, my producers, they also became very close to me, like his wife and his daughter. They, you know, whenever I come to Hyderabad, I go to their house and eat food.
Okay.
So yeah, so they, like, some people just, you know, stay in your life forever. So it's
So
like
it's not in a different way, but now when people say, and you heard, you must be seeing your newspapers, mein Raj Tarun and Malvi, you laugh, you say, what is this? Matlab, when you see gossips for you, because it will be a first gossip. I think I've never seen this kind of gossip.
With me, never happened. This is the first time.
It's a gossip only, not the truth also, as we saying. And you also say that.
Yeah.
So how you see when the newspaper next day, these all things came, and I mean, what was your reaction?
Sometimes I feel, you know, what is happening. There's sometimes, you know, sometimes I feel, then I try to avoid it. I meditate and I try to not get those kind of thoughts in my mind, and I feel that's the best way to avoid and just pass it over.
I think it's a part of the profession also. It
Yeah.
keeps coming and going.
Yeah, so it never happened to me. For me, it's new, so it's okay. It'll pass.
So when it's like, you know, there are times when you get into this industry, some people have made it clear, will not do this kind of roles, will be getting aside of this. Have you ever thought of it like,
See,
I'll keep my boundaries and this is the way I want to work in this industry?
For me, like if my character is very interesting and if it requires certain things to do, I don't mind, because I feel every emotion has its own value.
Especially it's not wrong to say that when it comes to kissing, saying, hugging, saying,
it is also,
it's very common.
It is also a kind of emotion which you portray. Like if you have anger emotion, if you have this is also a kind of emotion. But if it is required, if it without that kind of a scene, the character or the scene won't justify, then only I'll do it. Otherwise, I won't do it if it is unnecessary.
But you'll not reject a movie on the basis of kissing, because there are people who reject good roles, powerful roles, just because the scene is there.
I won't do it.
So for you, it's a role important.
For me, the character is important. What the importance of that character is there in the film. For me, that is important, and I feel that I can sense it very easily, because for me, it is very easily to understand that this will work for me or this won't work
Sixth
for me.
sense is very strong.
Yeah, I always go with my intuitions. Yes.
Good. As you have a magic book also you talked about. I would like to discover that, how that book is, you know, and how you do
I
the
don't
writing.
show that book to anyone. I keep it in my locker.
Of course, that's a property, yeah. I mean, whatever you write and it's happening.
Yes.
So now we are in the other area of Hyderabad. We're going to take her for a tea, because she's a tea lover also. Let me tell you. How many teas you have? Like Hyderabad used to have small cups teas. But every 3 hours, 5 hours they'll take.
No, I take only once maybe, and that too also very rarely. But I love chai. Like if it is raining, I love that adrak wala chai. It's one of my favorite thing to have
and all
with
that.
Pakoda. I love these kind of food.
No, but when you say I love pakoda, people say, oh, she's eating oily food.
I eat everything. Don't go on my body. I eat everything. I love, but yeah, in less quantity. I take care of like portions a lot. I don't eat much. My appetite is very less, but I eat everything.
But people always have this myth, oh, if I eat this, I eat this, and especially when this social media is coming, this creating lot of myths.
You should eat everything, whatever you like, whatever makes you happy, eat everything, but have control over your intake.
Yes.
How much quantity you are taking.
And how much it's important for you, being a celebrity, to attend social media platforms, spend time, then unke answers karo, अच्छे हैं तो compliment लो. It's very important. Now every big star is on the social media, and Instagram is like your resume.
Exactly. I never used to use Instagram because of being
you have
an
big
actor.
Followers.
Yeah, but then like it happened to me back then, 2-3 years back. I got rejected from a very big advertisement only because I had less followers. So
Less followers.
they wanted, because they chose someone who has more number of followers than me, and it's only because of the followers. And then I realized that it is very important, you know, to maintain your social
But
media.
I think this is
and all
wrong.
that.
Actor is being recognized on the based of followers.
Yeah,
That
yeah,
should be
yeah.
on the skills, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So
it happens. It happens. People see your Instagram reach and everything. Even especially brands.
Yeah.
Pehle, like earlier, brands only used to approach actors to do.
Yes.
Now those influencers,
Yes.
they are promoting all the brands. So if even everything has changed
Yes,
over the
yes,
time,
yes.
a lot of things have changed.
So how much time you spend? On social-
I really don't spend much time on social media. I rather spend time with reading books or maybe
Wow.
watching films. And yeah, I do that more.
You have that curiosity. अरे 2 million हो गया, 3 million हो गया,
No.
लोगों ने देखा. वो
I'm
एक excitement,
not.
tiredness ही रहती है,
Not
no?
at all, not at all. I feel that Instagram is like work. I have to keep updating it like a work or resume.
You
whatever
respond
you
people
said. Very
personally
rarely.
lives, or you know they would say please. You
I
wanna-
should do it. I should do it. I know I'm very laid back, but I should do it. But yeah, I'll definitely do it.
Like if anything happens, they first come to Instagram nowadays to talk directly with the
Audience,
actor.
yeah.
As is it the right thing? ऐसा हो रहा है क्या?
Yeah,
Have
yeah.
you experienced that?
No.
Nothing. I mean, Instagram, you don't feel like answering them or like
See,
connecting with your fans.
I really want to, but I feel that I'm a very different person. If I want to, I have to push myself to do it. Yeah, but yeah, maybe in future, if I have to, I'll definitely do it.
Is there any compliment you have seen which is not good and you got like, छोड़ो इसको जाने दो? Worst compliment you would like to share? How you dealt with that? Or you answered it or you ignored it?
I never answer back to anyone.
Never.
Yeah, very rarely I do. I don't do most of the time. But yeah, people see. I don't judge people what they are commenting. I understand what their mindset is and why they are doing it.
Okay.
So I rarely pass it off. I don't,
Don't
take
care of it.
Yeah.
So when the monsoons are there, good weather is there, what makes you feel? You said chai pakoda, okay. Any songs comes in your mind? You sing gungunana. Oh, we must be doing all this. So what's your
Yeah.
favorite song? Little bit. We can have one line.
Favorite song?
Yeah, we are just going for a chai. A song for a chai.
No.
Chai will be
I
happy.
am not a good singer.
That everybody says that, but you know, it suddenly sometimes एक song आता and you love to going in that journey. Something. You don't need a good voice for that.
Yeah, right. I think I like that song from Ye Jawani Hai Deewani.
Okay, what's
Kabira.
that? Chalo, let's start.
Kabira maan ja,
Okay.
ye fakira tu na ja, kaisa tu hai nirmohi, kaisa har jaiya. I like that song. Yeah.
You know, we are just going to the near to the tea, so I thought at least we'll have some.
Don't judge my singing, please.
I was just thinking,
never
let me
sang
have
a
some songs. So many questions I bombarded on one day to her.
Yeah.
Because she was in a relaxed mood. So many things are happening in her life, you know, promotions and something or the other. And then again, I caught her and bombarded with so many questions, and she's keep answering and talking. So we
Yeah.
need to take a break, and it always a tea break, right?
Exactly.
So now we are taking her to the tea break, and we'll have a little bit of chit chat about the tea, and then I think we have to let her go because she has more interviews to do, more promotion.
Yeah, right.
So we are just reaching on the way to have tea. So well, Malvi is in Hyderabad, and I want her to taste Hyderabadi chai and Hyderabadi biscuits. So Hyderabad, when it comes to mind, it's a Hyderabadi Irani chai. So have you tried Irani chai in
Not
your
in
life?
Hyderabad.
Not in Hyderabad.
No.
You know Hyderabad ki chai means Irani chai. Have you heard about it?
No.
So okay, I have bought this Irani chai for her.
Thank
so I
you.
must first, let's have a cheer. Cheers.
It's very nice.
You like it?
The
You
taste
never
is-
tasted this?
Never.
So you were having normal green tea, or you must be having masala tea, or
Yeah.
just normal black tea.
This
but
chai I never had. It's very
something
nice.
different.
Something
Irani
different.
chai, right?
Very nice.
You can't say that. Your producers and your co-actors have never introduced you to this Irani chai.
No.
This is very bad. Okay.
No.
Again with chai, it's Irani biscuits.
I'll
No,
try.
don't tell me you didn't taste this also.
No.
Come on, first taste.
I'm coming here first time.
Okay. This is
Too
Irani.
good.
It's like salty taste.
It's very nice, very nice. Yeah.
Sweet भी नहीं है, थोड़ा salt भी है.
It's very crisp and freshly made.
Hmm.
Yeah, I think they are baking it here, right?
Hmm.
It's very nice.
That's very strange that you never tried Irani chai and Irani biscuits. So I think we need to come again and again
Yeah, definitely will come.
off the camera.
Yeah.
Because you know here Irani biscuits and Irani chai are very like. So you remember that first time you had your first tea, like you went out and you order for a tea, or you most of the time you enjoyed with whom? Like when the tea comes, you look for a friend. You look like whom till now you have enjoyed having tea with.
I enjoy with my family
Okay.
and Bombay, especially Bombay rains. I love having chai, uska chai. It's too good. Or sometimes homemade adrak wali chai. Sit in the balcony and enjoy the tea. That is what I really like.
So would you like to have Irani chai if you date in Hyderabad? If you come for a date.
I am dating you right now. This is our date, and we are having Irani chai.
Really, I'm also. This is a memorable moment for me also. That having a good. I mean, must you enjoy your biscuits?
It's too good. It's very good.
So I think you should take these biscuits when you go back to Bombay. Your mom, dad.
Definitely.
You have your sisters, brothers, or you're the only one child?
My brother is there. Yeah.
Okay. He's married?
Yeah, I recently got married.
Recently got. So you have a bhabhi also, right?
Yeah.
So how it comes to when people know Malvi has a bhabhi and the relation,
Yeah.
how
it's-
it goes?
It's very friendly. It doesn't feel like he's married, but they also live like very friendly and all of that. So yeah.
But I just wanted to end up by knowing, as these things are happening around promotions and you been into a lot of pressures aa jate unexpectedly. So what message you would like to give? Because somebody has no right in the country we stay. People can just take your names like this. And I'm really appreciate the kind of guts and the kind of you have stand up for yourself. People have also stand up for yourself.
Right.
So how you take this? Because when you're in the industry, one should not take the things for granted. Because taking somebody's name, it's
Yeah.
like a dignity. Honor
Right.
you are
Right.
somebody's, through him who has worked hard so much to make
Right.
a one name and fame.
Right.
So
right.
what exactly you would like to say and what one needs to do and how you are taking it
See,
forward?
I'll tell you very clearly, like being an actor, there are a lot of allegations will come on you, a lot of things will come on you. You have to go through a lot of things
Yes.
in life. When you keep growing, you will have a lot of people to pull you down.
Yes.
But if you are true to yourself, you are true to people around you, and if you are honest, I think everything will weave off, and definitely the truth will come out. And if you have not harmed anybody's life or reputation or anything, nothing bad can happen to you. And I truly believe in God and Vaheguru, because
Wow.
he is the one who is my support, and I just leave everything on him. It's like जो आप कर रहे हो सब अच्छा ही है, सब मेरे लिए अच्छा हो रहा है, and maybe something good is happening. And I truly believe in God, and he has done everything good for me till now, and in future also he'll do good for me.
But as in the interviews and you were now taking a legal action, which is a great step to take stand off in about it. If somebody just throw it, they think अरे नहीं ये कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
So see,
So
I'm
yeah.
not taking any legal action. I'm just, protecting myself.
Yes.
I'm not doing anything wrong to anyone. I'm just protecting my dignity and my respect. And I don't let it go like this so
Yes.
easily. So if someone has put some allegations on me, definitely the truth will come out, and definitely people will know what is right and what is wrong.
If somebody wants to forgiveness, will you be like able to give? Because this is really hurts you.
Forgiveness?
Yeah.
I forgive people very easily,
Very good.
easily. I forgive people, and I literally feel that whatever they are doing, maybe their situations are not right, and maybe something they are also going through some circumstances. I have nothing against anyone, and I forgive people and I let it go.
I think you should give a message to all people there or whether
Yeah.
it's a male or a female.
Yeah.
Before creating some kind of a wrong thing, personal issue, it should not, the third person should be affected, or that activity should be stopped. It should not
See,
be
we
taken.
can't
Yeah.
control other people. We can only control ourselves,
Yes.
and we can't have control over outside situations. We can only control ourselves, and that's what I'm doing right now. And whatever is happening, we have to deal with it strongly. We have to face it and come out of it very
And I
strongly.
think in the future we can see more of the movies with Rajkumar. Nothing will be like that.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
these controversies come, you'll stay away. I think strongly you're coming up and you are
Yeah.
saying nothing. I mean, we are ready to work together because as actors you respect each other.
Exactly, and there is nothing wrong in working together, and there's nothing wrong talking to people or your co-actors or anything, but we can't control outside
Yes.
situations.
So I think promotional activities will be seen soon again.
Yeah,
Together
definitely.
you'll be talking together.
Definitely, why not? We have done a film together, and we'll definitely promote the film together.
So what do you have to say to your fans when it's coming, the date, and come and watch
Yeah,
us?
so
and
mostly they are planning to release on 2nd of August, and soon film is going to come out. Please watch our film, and please watch my action sequence. This is the highlight of the film, because
in real life actions are also happening. I think the flavor you have already seen, something is or the other happening. Okay.
Yeah, so please go and watch my film Tiragra Bhadra Sami in theaters, and it'll release very soon, and I hope you like the trailer, and I'm looking forward to see you all in theaters.
Because action होगा वहाँ physical होगा, but mental action भी कैसा होता है? She has shown that. How calmly you have to deal the bad situations in your life. In
Right.
real life also.
True,
If we
true,
say
true,
that.
true,
You know,
true.
so we are just waiting. I think on 2nd August,
Yeah.
some bombard news will come, and I think Jai Bal, you are a fan of,
Yes,
you know.
yes. All the Balakrishna fans.
Oh my
please,
God.
go and
They will
watch the
support
film, because I am huge Balya fan in the film.
And what you're doing, Jai Balaya, Jai Balaya.
You go and watch the film. I won't give you any spoilers. Go and watch the film, and you'll understand my character in the film.
So one line you would like to say Telugu mein, your dialogue you learned. You really worked hard for that. वो तो you can do it.
Yeah. You're talking about Balya dialogue
Not
or anything?
in movie, Telugu movie. Your favorite dialogue that you have learned, and I think that will be with you.
There are so many dialogues I have learned,
But you learned. I mean something. You can
okay,
just give a glimpse.
So there was one dialogue where Raj Tarun was asking me to sit, like, you know,
Kuchandi.
Kuchandi, like
Okay,
Kuchandi. And I was like, auntie laga, bama laga, mokka meda kadu, ikkada maadtaleve chudu.
Oh my God, Malvi, you did such a great job, man.
Yeah.
You know Telugu so well, Andy.
Yeah.
Andy.
That is
Andy.
funny.
And we are making no.
Andy, yeah.
Okay, so that sounds like she's calling you auntie.
Yeah.
That was really fun, and I think it's
Yeah.
not action, it's a comedy.
It's a comedy.
You can relax and have fun. I mean,
This film has every flavor, from
you gave
comedy
me that
to
great.
romance
I'm
to
looking
everything.
forward to go and see how Malvi been Raj Tarun saying Kuchu Andy. So please don't say auntie to her anyway. Auntie means he's giving you respect.
Yes,
I
yes,
think
I know.
that's.
Yeah.
But I think it's a comedy way of reacting. So
Yeah.
thank you, Andy. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Andy. Thank you, Andy, for coming and taking my interview.
No. Thank you, Andy, for taking us for the journey and the movie. We are waiting for it, and I think a lot of good wishes.
Thank you
Keep
so
rocking.
much. Thank you.
And 2nd August, don't miss to watch a movie and give a good response. So I think upcoming movies will be more in Telugu, and we'll be doing more interviews.
Definitely.
So we have to do next interview with sari. That I promise to all the
Yes,
viewers, because
yes.
people love to see you in sari. You'll be
Yeah.
looking such a pretty girl. I can imagine that.
Thank you.
So thank you so much, Malvi.
Thank you.
For
Thank
more
you, Neha.
updates, keep watching iDream. Till then, goodbye. Have your own tea. We are having our tea. Okay? Bye bye. You can say bye bye to your fans. Bye
Bye-bye. See you in theaters.
Yes.